Hello everyone, Checkmate here, and today I will teach you how to render your model in Blender. For that I have to teach you render settings in Blender. Right now we are in solid mode. There are wire mode, preview mode and render mode. If you go in it right now, you will see something like that, and this is not what we want. So back to our solid mode. To get our desired rendering, we have to go into our render settings, and that is here, render properties. When you click it, this menu will appear. You will see render engine on the top. This is what we have to select according to our need. If you are making games, you will use EV engine, but we are not doing that right now. We are rendering image, animation or 3D models. For that we will need cycles. This is a very powerful engine and give a realistic render. On the device you can see you have to select GPU. And now because rendering is a GPU process, not your CPU working, so selecting after GPU, you can come here on the viewport and render option. You can see here it shows max size equal to 1000 and max size on 4000 in render and viewport. When I was new in 3D, I made a mistake to kept it on the standard, that is 1000 and 4000. That is a not right way to do it, because we will not need that much steps or sample when we are rendering. So when you are making your model or doing a temporary work, keep it on 10 and keep this one on 20. This will be enough for your basic rendering for start. You can increase the numbers if you need more clarification. Now we are done here, and now you go into render mode. You can see this is again, that's because we do not set any light right now. Let's set up some light. For example, we just set our sky. Now you can see it is rendering. Here you can see all the steps that are going right now. Once you have completed your model and you want to render your final product, what you have to do is go into render settings and click on render image. If you are making an animation, then click on render animation. But for that you will need a camera to render your model, and I will teach you how to set up a camera in next video. Thank you.